Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Fun Town tutorial on how to winterize your bumper pull trailer. Now, I have a few products with us here today. I'm going to show you. This is our RV winterization antifreeze. It's non-toxic. It's safe to be around your family and your pets. This is our hand pump. We're going to use this to actually pump antifreeze into the system. This is our air nozzle. This is where we'll use air to blow out the water lines to make sure we get it nice and dry. For your more experienced campers, you might want to look into upgrading your water pump to an automatic siphon where it will siphon the antifreeze directly into your system. And if you don't already, here is a water heater bypass kit, so you're not wasting gallons of antifreeze just filling up your water heater. Alright, now we're going to take some of these products and I'm going to show you how to hook them up and use them on the trailer that we have here behind us. So we're going to use the air nozzle today. So we have to open all the faucets so we can let the air and the water escape. I opened up the bathroom faucet. This trailer, we're going to move to the sink. And we're going to do the same thing. Just open up the sink faucet so the air and the water can be pushed out. Now I'll show you how to hook up the air nozzle on the outside of the trailer. The city water connection is located right here on the back of the trailer for this trailer. All we're going to do is simply take our air nozzle, which I have right here. Simply screw on right here. Take off the little cap. And then one more thing before you go. Most trailers have a sticker that identify the low point drain. So we're going to show you where that is under this trailer right here. So we're going to reach underneath the fender. Here's the two low point drains. They're just simple little caps. So all you have to do is unhook those and then unscrew them. All right, so after we do the low point drains, we're going to put the air hose here and we're going to blow the air to blow the water out of the system. That should take about 1 to 2 minutes to get the water out. And then once that's done, you just simply unhook and then store this again for next year. Now for those of you that want to use the hand pump method, I have a hand pump here. This is the hand pump that we keep at all Camptown stores. Just simply open it up. You're going to take this hose, put it on the bottom. This is just like the air nozzle. It's going to screw right on. And then all you simply have to do is grab your jug of antifreeze, open it up, stick it inside, and start pumping. And it's going to pump all the winterization fluid inside your trailer. And you keep going until you see some of it dripping out of the faucets. As a recap, we're going to use the hand pump and we're going to pump antifreeze into the system until we see it start coming out the faucets. All right. And then we're going to take our gallon of antifreeze and I'll show you where we put this on in the inside of the trailer. Now that we're back inside the camper, we're going to take the gallon of antifreeze and we're going to come to the toilet. We're going to open it up, pour about a half a gallon inside the toilet. Go ahead and flush it because that will protect your black tank as well. And when you're done with that, you just simply close it all up. Then we're going to move to the sink. Here, you're going to pour about 3 to 4 cups down the sink, and that's going to protect your sink and your gray tank underneath. Then to protect the kitchen, we're going to move over here, and we're also going to pour about 3 to 4 cups down the sink. And then you're going to close all your faucets, and then that's your winterization of your trailer. Once again, I'm Preston. Thank you for joining me today on winterizing your travel trailer. Now please like, share, and follow for more content on how to take care of your trailer. Thank you.